Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Today we have bad news because the paper boy has not delivered the news paper. So actually today it's Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024. But yesterday, the paperboy has not delivered the newspaper, so we have puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper. So the puzzles I've downloaded of my newspaper site, and I've printed this on paper. It's a lot of work, so yeah. The question is, do I need to give apologies to you because the paper boy has not delivered the paper? Anyway, in the yesterday's newspaper we have three regular puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. Yeah, this is the tectonic. In additional, we have 7 extra puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the JigSaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary, I believe. Yeah. The other 3 puzzles, 7, yeah, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars and the 1 star JigSaw Sudoku. I will keep this for later if there are no additional in the future. But first, yeah, let me solve the first 3 regular puzzles. Well, the first time in all those years that I need to print the puzzles on paper. Well, this one will be number 7992. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1-star puzzle because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and it will take me 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And well, it has 2 digits more, so should be a 1-star puzzle. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is a really a 1-star puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 8899, 444, and well, come on, 11, 33, 666. Come on, 66. What's happening? 7, 33. Come on, where are the numbers? Yeah, 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2, yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 4 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. And a 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 2. Okay. How about the 7 we have here? 7 we have there. 7. Okay. Interesting. 4. Come on. 4. Need a 4 there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. And there we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, now only 2 places left. The 6 should be here. On there, we have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left. The 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here. On there, we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. No, well. Let me continue with the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. The only place left. The 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. Wait. 9, 7. Nope. I need to wait here. 7. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 and 7 in the last row. No 9 and 7 in these 3 boxes. 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. Only place left where the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. Cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. The other pair in the last row are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. Here, 9 and a 7 are left. Okay, so need a 3 here. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. On there, we have a 3 in this column, second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay, 4, 8, and the 7. Need a 7 here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. So I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and 7. We have a 9 now, so this box should be a 7. 7. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this last column. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 in the last column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. All right, now. How about the number? Still cannot continue with the 2. Here, 2 numbers left. I believe the 4 and 8 are left. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 8. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1 box left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 in the last column. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 2 numbers left now here, the 1 and the 5, I believe. We have a 1 there in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above, only place left for the 8 should be there. A 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. A 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And 1 box left in this row, second row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Well, faster than 15 minutes. Also faster than 40 minutes. So it should be a 0 stars. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so I can make it all solve it by myself. Thank you again for watching. Yeah. Apologies again, the paperboy has not delivered the newspaper yesterday. And today is actually Valentine's Day. Yeah, Valentine's Day. Well, I need to continue with the second puzzle because there are a lot of puzzles left for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku regular puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.